How to get activation code from ExpressVPN. Hello guys, today I'll show you how you can get activation code from ExpressVPN. So follow along. First of all, open any type of browser on your PC and search for ExpressVPN. Now you can see I've opened up the forum. Here instructions regarding finding your activation code are written. So the first step is go to the ExpressVPN account dashboard. You can do it by logging in your ExpressVPN account. After logging in, enter the verification code. You can do it by signing in your account. You can sign in successfully by entering the verification code that is sent to your email to verify your login. After verification is done, proceed towards the next step. To find your activation account, simply navigate to your setup devices. In the setup devices pop-up, you will be able to see different type of devices that you can choose from. Scroll to the bottom of the page and you can see there's an activation code written here. You can either select and copy it, or you can just simply click on the copy icon right next to it. And the activation code will be copied to your clipboard. Now if you can't find your activation code here, simply navigate to the Need Help embed at the bottom of the page and start a chat with the help center. Tell them about your problem and ask them to fix it for you, and that's it. That's how you can get activation code from ExpressVPN. Thanks.